Making money on YouTube. If you've been looking at how to make money online, then you should consider building a YouTube channel. The platform has over 2 billion active users each month that view over 1 billion hours of video content every single day. According to Forbes, the world's highest paid YouTubers earned an estimated $211 million in 2020. Learning how to build a YouTube channel is the first step you have to take. Then you can take advantage of the best ways to monetize your content, and then working on a strong social media strategy. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as every week we bring you great videos on how to make money and give you the life you want. So let's get going. Probably the best known way of making money on YouTube is through earn ad revenue as a YouTube partner. This is most likely the first monetization strategy you'll benefit from. Join the YouTube Partner Program to get access to multiple monetization features through Google AdSense on the platform. Keep in mind, you must be at least 18 years old to earn money from ads. You should also make sure to create advertiser-friendly content. So how do you make money on YouTube with Google AdSense? Begin by building a YouTube channel. Grow your YouTube channel subscribers to at least 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. Log into your YouTube account to enable monetization. You'll need to agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Set up a Google AdSense account to receive payment. You can connect an existing account to your YouTube channel. Choose your monetization preferences. Check your YouTube analytics to see your estimated monthly revenue. As a YouTube partner, your channel should follow copyright law, YouTube Partner Program policies, and YouTube's community guidelines. But ads shouldn't be the only source of your YouTube revenue. YouTube ads are the best way to make money on YouTube when it comes to passive income. But don't rely on ad revenue as your only YouTube revenue stream. YouTube has standards and won't pay content creators for videos that don't qualify as advertiser-friendly content. Upgrading to YouTube Premium is one of the best ways to make money on the channel. It's a great option to explore other income streams, especially since Google takes 45% of your YouTube ad revenue. 2. Become a brand influencer. Promoting sponsored content on your YouTube channel is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. As a YouTube influencer, the best part is that the money is all yours, nothing owes to Google. How to make money on YouTube as a brand influencer. Make a list of brands you want to pitch to and contact them. Alternatively, you can connect with brands for sponsorships on influencer marketing platforms. Negotiate a good deal depending on your audience's size, engagement, niche, content and quality. YouTube videos are among the most expensive forms of sponsored content, so price your service well. Post your sponsored content and check YouTube's disclosure feature for sponsored content. This feature is to maintain transparency and abide by Google's ad policies. 3. Sell merchandise. Physical or digital products. You can sell your own products, such as e-courses, t-shirts, etc. on your YouTube channel to make more money. Having a loyal audience that feels connected to you and selling your products to them is another one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube by selling merchandise. Design a product that represents your brand and connects with your audience. Create a website or shop where your users can buy your products. You can link directly from your videos to your website or any other YouTube-approved merchandise websites. As a YouTube partner, you can enable the shelf feature for your merch. Promote your physical and digital products in your video. You can include user-generated content, which is content featuring people who use your products. Develop a viable social media strategy to advertise your merchandise outside of YouTube. Direct traffic to your channel to make sales. Encourage your viewers to make a purchase. In your YouTube video descriptions, add call to action with a link to your store or product page. 4. Crowdfund your projects. If you need financial support for your project, crowdfunding is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. All you need to do is ask for donations from your audience. How to make money on YouTube by crowdfunding your projects. Determine what project you want to fund, and set a realistic expectation for donations. Choose from the list of YouTube-approved websites to set up your crowdfunding account. Promote your project in your video content. In these videos, explain what you hope to achieve. Build an effective social media strategy to advertise your crowdfunding campaign on your social networks. Add enticing offers and CTAs to encourage your viewers to donate. In your YouTube video descriptions, add a link to your crowdfunding account. 5. Encourage fan funding. Fan funding is another one of the best ways to make money on YouTube if you need donations from your fans for support. How to make money through fan funding on YouTube. Start live streams and enable Super Chat for fan funding. You can also use other popular fan funding websites like Patreon and Tipeee. Promote channel membership. Your audience will get access to members-only exclusive content and benefits, which can include badges, custom emoji, and live chats with you. Encourage your audience to become YouTube Premium members. This way, you get paid each time they watch your channel. 6. Share your viral videos to other social media platforms. If you create a YouTube video that goes viral, TV news outlets, other online platforms, and creators might pay you to get rights to use your video. Even if it's not a viral video, you can still license a video in exchange for money if it's valuable, high quality, or newsworthy. How to make money on YouTube by licensing your videos to other media. Make it easy for people to reach you for business inquiries. Update your contact details in the About section of your YouTube channel and your video descriptions. Register with a video content marketplace like Jukin Media for faster purchases and legal use. 7. Create a sales funnel for your business. You can make money by optimizing your YouTube channel as a sales funnel feature in your content marketing and social media strategy. How to make money on YouTube by creating a sales funnel and a social media strategy. Start a website in a profitable niche and learn how to build a YouTube channel. Create high-quality content for your channel and grow an audience interested in your niche. Apply to the YouTube Partner Program. Promote your shop, course, membership programs, one-on-one programs, or email list in your videos. Include links to where viewers can join your programs or order your products. If you have a blog, repurpose its content into a YouTube video series to build authority. Direct traffic to your YouTube channel from other platforms using a well-planned social media strategy. Encourage new viewers from other social media platforms to become subscribers and direct them to your main website to read a blog post or make a purchase. 8. Start affiliate marketing. Besides ad revenue, becoming an affiliate marketer is the second best way to make money on YouTube as passive income. How to make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. Find a suitable niche and learn how to build a YouTube channel. Select affiliate partnership programs. Start with the simplest, such as the Amazon Associates affiliate program or Share a Sale. Create product review videos and recommend the best items to your viewers. Add your affiliate links in the video description to direct viewers to where they can buy the items you reviewed. You'll earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through your links. Frequently asked questions about YouTube monetization. So how many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? As we said earlier, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to become a YouTube partner. YouTube bills an advertiser when a user clicks or watches an ad. So, if a video gets thousands of views but no one clicks the ad, your ad revenue will be zero. However, if your subscribers become YouTube Premium members, you'll earn from their video views. How much money do you make on YouTube? The amount of money you make varies depending on how many views you get. Google uses a 45 to 55 share for ad revenue on YouTube. This means Google pays 55% of AdSense revenue to a content creator for every amount an advertiser pays. An advertiser pays between 1 cent to 3 cents for an ad view, which equals $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views for a YouTuber. You can monetize any kind of video content so long as it follows YouTube's guidelines. Once you learn how to build a YouTube channel, you can explore the different ways to make money as a YouTuber. Create quality videos and optimize them with YouTube search engine optimization. Use an effective social media strategy to direct millions of people to watch your content. While growing your YouTube channel and income, keep in mind that you need a reliable website to build a solid brand, provide more access to your content, and sell your merchandise. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any comments below and we'll see you next week.